Good morning. Buenos dias. I have run out of my foreign language skills. My name is Jay Goree, and I am the sales manager for BEI Industrial Encoders. I have been with BEI for 21 years, ever since I was a small child. So my name tag says John because that is my name, but I go by Jay. BEI invented the absolute encoder technology, and I'd like to give you a little timeline of how that came about and where the company was started and how we migrated to CST and Schneider Electric. So if you will bear with me. BEI began business as the Baldwin Piano Company in 1865. A Sunday school teacher by the name of D.H. Baldwin began building pianos in Cincinnati, Ohio. And after our Civil War, he began trying to build organs. So in World War II, after World War II, electronics became very popular in the commercial field, and Baldwin Piano Company began to build an electronic organ rather than a pump organ like you use with your feet. So in 1948, they came up with a scheme to shine a light source through a rotating disc and modulate frequency. And as they modulated frequency, they produced tone. So they call these discs tone wheels. And that scheme is still used today by the Hammond Organ Company in their electronic organ, the B3 organ that most rock and roll bands use. So about that time, in 1948, Baldwin built the electronic organ using the tone wheels, and at the same time, Bell Laboratories invented the transistor, which did a much better job of modulating frequency, and you could just use little transistors instead of a big mechanical electro contraption. And so most people switched to the transistor. However, the United States Army learned that Baldwin had a machine to very accurately put a pattern on a glass disc. So they contracted with them to build the first optical encoders, as you will, for tracking for radar. And so Baldwin Piano Company started a division called Baldwin Electronics and began producing optical encoders for the United States government, and worked for them probably 10 years as their sole customer. But gradually, as word got out that this was a very accurate way to position and point things, they were